My name is Darren Crotchett, President and founder of Liftech Corporation. I've been a general contractor for 25 years, specializing in general construction, building, and residential homes. In 2012, I saw a need in this industry for all types of structural and concrete repairs. With my background in general construction and building, I already have a very solid foundation and understanding of concrete and foundations. In 2013, a good friend of mine, he was impressed with the process and suggested a partnership.
My name is Brian Lenners. I am Vice President here at Liftech. Darren, my business partner, he and I have known each other for many years. He was actually one of my first real estate clients. We hit it off right away. And so we actually grew our friendship first and foremost. And after, starting to learn more about the business and seeing again in real estate all the issues that I had seen, it was just some really good synergies between the two of us, and it's worked out beautifully.
In Colorado, we obviously live in an environment with very volatile soils. In fact, I tell people that it's amazing that we can even build structures in Colorado that stand the test of time. Some structures have trouble standing the test of time and can suffer structural deficiencies because of the soil that we build these homes on. Raising and stabilizing or rehabilitating your existing concrete is always a far better alternative than tearing it out.
We started as a polyurethane concrete lifting company. We now do structural work, we pour concrete. The advantages of what we're doing really comes down to it's minimally invasive, it's a fraction of the time versus replacing your concrete. You're talking usually a matter of hours before we have it fixed and serviceable, meaning as soon as we drive away, you can park your car in that garage, you can walk across it.
It's far more cost effective. We can oftentimes repair concrete at a fraction of the cost of replacing it. We service all areas of the Front Range, and depending on the nature and size of the job, we will go just about anywhere. We have been serving the Front Range now since 2012, and in that time have successfully completed close to 9,000 repairs.
We always get superior service reward with Home Advisor, best of with Angie's List, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau.
Liftech is the highest rated concrete stabilization company in the Front Range with over 500 online 5-star reviews. It is Liftech's commitment to provide the highest level of customer satisfaction and quality to our customers.
We believe that we do the best work out there and we have the happiest customers of anyone in the local market.